Welcome to our tutorial series on integrating React with Django. In this series, we'll explore why combining these powerful technologies can significantly enhance your web development process and guide you through the integration step by step. Over the course, we'll cover Part 1. How to display React components in Django templates. Part 2. Setting up routing on both Django and React to display multiple React pages on the Django site. Part 3. Preparing your React app for deployment within a Django project. By integrating React into your Django application, you can create dynamic interactive user interfaces with React's component system, leverage Django's powerful backend feature for data management and API creation, benefit from React's virtual DOM for optimized rendering performance, gradually transition front-end logic from Django templates to React components, allowing for incremental adoption. Scale your application more efficiently as it grows in complexity. Through this series, we'll walk you through each stage of integrating React into a Django project, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out. This guide will help you combine these technologies to create more dynamic and efficient web applications. Let's get started. In this first part of our series, we will focus on the fundamental steps of integrating React components into Django templates. This initial integration will lay the groundwork for more advanced React Django integration in the following parts of our series. Before we dive into the code, let's clarify our starting point. We have already set up both Django and React projects. The React project currently has one component which we'll integrate. In Django, we have created two URLs, one for homepage, which uses Django templates, another for React integration, where we'll render our React components. We have also created a base HTML template that includes common elements like the navigation bar. Before we proceed with the integration process, let's take a moment to visualize our current setup. Here's what our application looks like in browser at this stage. As you can see, we have the basic Django application with the navigation bar and placeholder content. This setup provides us with a solid foundation to begin integrating React components into our Django application. Now let's proceed with the integration process. Let's open the file where we want to display React. For me, it's React page.html. As you can see, this file extends from base.html. First, we need to create a div with the ID root to inject all React code inside of it. If you go to the index.html file inside the public folder, you will see that we have the same div there. Essentially, we want to recreate the same behavior here. Next, we need to add script that will find this div by ID and render React there. This script must have the SRC attribute pointing to the bundle.js, which we can find at this URL. If we open this link, we'll see all the JavaScript from React. That's basically everything we need to render React. Let's check our React page in the browser. Great! As you can see, the React page has successfully rendered. Now that we have successfully integrated React into our Django application, in the next part of our series, we'll focus on setting up routing. This will allow us to display multiple React pages within our Django project, creating a more dynamic and interactive user experience. This next step will significantly enhance the flexibility and functionality of our integrated React Django application, allowing for more complex user interfaces and smoother navigation. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the content and want to learn more, we invite you to visit our website at django.and.dev. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you have any question or topics you'd like to cover in the future videos, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy coding!